Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me in this video. Welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Quinn. On this channel, I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So in this video, I'm actually really excited because I'm actually collaborating with Angela Roi for an unboxing and review of one of their handbags. Now, if you aren't familiar with Angela Roi, they are a luxury designer, vegan handbag brand. I actually never had a chance to check out their handbags in the past because they are a fairly new company. However, when they reached out to me, I hopped on their website, I read a little bit about them, and I absolutely love everything that they stand for. They not only make beautiful handbags that are very classic in style, all of their bags are handcrafted, and they're actually a very conscious brand when it comes to ethical practices. So before I open this, I want to go over a little bit about Angela Roi as a company, because I really think that a good brand isn't just the products, but it's also the company behind the products and what they stand for. So on their website it says, "For too long, fashion has demanded sacrifice of comfort for style, of money for quality, of morals for materials. Angela Roi believes personal style should not come at the expense of personal values. We're creating accessories with ethical materials at an approachable price, helping women achieve a timeless look that reflects who they are and what they care about." And then their brand essence is uncompromising elegance. So we don't do trade-offs, we don't take shortcuts. We are the no-sacrifice fashion brand, offering high fashion styles that are ethical, eco-friendly, and approachable for all women. Every Angela Roi bag is constructed by hand with only the finest non-animal materials. Our look is one of timeless elegance, continuing the traditions of the world's most renowned fashion houses with innovation and a future-forward mission. I love that this brand really emphasizes on ethical practices on top of having a beautiful product. So not only are you getting great high quality, ethical, vegan products from this company, but you can purchase their products knowing that they are a good company. They offer fair wages and a comfortable working environment for their employees, and they're also not hurting any animals in the production of their products. So I think it's really, really nice to own a product and carry a product that you know is ethical. And lastly, I want to point out that all of their bags have a red signet that is barely noticeable on their bags, and this red signet actually represents the company's values and a celebration of their community. So I want to quickly read off what this red signet symbolizes for Angela Roi in their own words. The red signet is a statement of our values and a celebration of our community. We are a community of rebels impacting the fashion industry, united by the shared values of poise, purpose, and craftsmanship. I really like this because if you look at all their bags, they are not very brand heavy. They don't have huge letters that say Angela Roi on them. And personally for me, I really like that, because if I'm gonna be spending money on items, I don't want to be a walking advertisement for the company that I'm promoting. And I like that Angela Roi kind of uses this red signet as their logo, but it's so small, so concealed that it's barely noticeable, but it's there if you know what you're looking for. So if you are an Angela Roi fan or you enjoy Angela Roi products, you know to look for that signet. And otherwise, if you're not, it's not that noticeable, and it doesn't take away from the bag. And personally for me, I love that. I think that is such a neat thing to incorporate into their bags on top of their brand. So I just wanted to share that with you guys before I unbox this. But now that we've gotten all of the brand information out of the way, let's go ahead and open this box up and see the bag that I received. So I did open the box, as I thought there might have been another box inside, but I haven't opened the actual package yet. So inside there is a little insert that again talks about the company and everything that they represent. Here is how the bag comes. It's wrapped in this black tissue paper, and then I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this up. And then inside of that, the bag comes in this really nice Angela Roi duster bag, which I think is so important because you want to always take care of your bags. If they are not being used, it's always good to put them in their duster bag, or even the box that they come in, so that they don't get dusty, they don't get, damaged. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. All right, and here it is. I absolutely love this bag. I saw this bag on their website, and it just It just was so beautiful. I love how simple it is. I mean, I fell in love with this bag on their website, but now holding it in person, I'm so glad that I got the size I did. It feels so sturdy. The quality is just unbelievable. I honestly would not have guessed that this is vegan leather. So in here, there is an adjustable strap. So the strap that it comes with is this chain, like this almost kind of, I want to say like it's like almost like a gunmetal, like silver, but then it also comes with a vegan leather strap, which I think is really nice because you can adjust the straps and it completely changes the look of the bag. All right, and you want to definitely keep these also because when the bag isn't in use, you want to stuff it to keep its shape. So let's take a look at this bag. It is so beautiful. The lining on the inside is like almost khaki, like a dark khaki kind of color. It goes really well with the light mud gray exterior. Honestly, guys, I've never owned a vegan leather bag before, and I think the reason why was because whenever I thought of vegan leather, I thought of like faux leather, and a lot of times like that material, it just feels very cheap to me. This, on the other hand, is completely changing my perspective of vegan leather. I honestly, as I mentioned, I don't think I would have been able to tell the difference between this and a real leather bag. The quality on this is phenomenal, and I think that's because it's handcrafted, it's handmade. On the inside, there's like a little zipper pocket, so you can put like your cards, your phone if you need to, and then there's another pocket that doesn't have like a zipper, which is actually what I normally use to put my phone in so I don't lose it. And then there's a little card, you know, that says Angela Roi, shows you what to do for cleaning and like care instructions. I don't know why, but it smells really good. It has like a really good high quality smell to it. I know that's weird. That is, I'm going crazy here, but it smells really like high end. I don't know if that even makes sense, but it does. And then of course, here is that red signet on this bag. And as I mentioned, you know, it's so small, it's barely noticeable, but you know, if you know what you're looking for, you know what that symbolizes. And I think that that is just wonderful. And then again, the only logo other than that red signet is this little tiny lettering right here that says Angela Roi. And you can barely see that unless you're close enough to see it on the bag. And again, I love that. I don't like wearing my labels, so this is like the perfect size for me because it lets the bag speak for itself. It lets the design of the bag speak, so you're not being distracted by whatever brand it is. So I love that. And this retails for $205, which I think it's a very fair price for a handcrafted high quality bag, but it's also not out of reach for a lot of people. This is a really nice in-between price to pay for like a good quality bag, especially if it's an everyday bag. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I have a few high quality luxury bags that are like over $1,000, and I feel like sometimes I can't use those bags a lot because I don't want them to get the wear and tear. And then I transitioned to like really cheap bags, but I noticed that those cheap bags I would only be able to wear like, you know, for a few months before they really started to show their wear and tear, and like I would have to get a new bag. And I think that this type of brand, this type of quality bag is a really nice in-between for an everyday bag. I think that, you know, you're not spending like a ton of money so that you feel uncomfortable wearing the bag every day, but at the same time, the quality is there, so you know that you can wear this every day and it won't break down like it would an inexpensive bag. So I really like that, and I really like that this is like a nice in-between, kind of like the sweet spot type of bag. And the strap here is an adjustable strap, which I absolutely love. So, you know, depending on whether you're tall or short, you can adjust this to fit where you want for your body type, and I really like that. The clasps here are such like a nice quality clasp. They're just made really well, and I love the hardware on this. I love the color of the hardware. Like I said, it's almost kind of like this gunmetal, very modern looking material, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. So I can just clip that on here, and then I can take, you know, my bag from this really nice chain that has a very specific look to it to something that's a little bit more casual, and I can change it out like depending on my mood, and I absolutely love that. Another thing that you can do with these straps is you can wear them both at the same time. So I can wear it like this and then like shorten the straps. You can have both straps showing, which I think is like a really, really fun look. Another thing that I noticed is you can use the chain like as an accessory. So you want to kind of just loop it through like this, and it creates this really nice kind of chain effect. And then you can wear this, you know, over your body like this and still have the chains looking, I don't know, like an accessory. I love that. I cannot believe how versatile this bag is because of the two straps that you were given. And then another thing that you can do, take the vegan leather straps off and then keep the chain on there, like double loops like this, and this turns into a really nice shoulder bag. I mean, how adorable is that? I just think that this bag is so practical. This is like a bag that I see me running errands in because it's like a crossbody bag. I can just strap it over my shoulder and not really worry about it. My hands are free. I can do whatever. I can shop. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I honestly could go on about this bag. I know that this bag was sent to me as a collaboration. They did not pay me for this video. They just sent me the bag and asked for an honest review, and that's what I am giving you. Overall, I think for being $205, I think the quality is phenomenal. I'm trying to like look around and like be nitpicky to see if there's any flaws I see, but I don't. Like, the stitching is just phenomenal. It's very even. You can tell that a lot of care goes into this. Like, everything is just done really well. I mean, the structure of the bag in itself, there's nothing in it right now, and it's holding its shape really well. It's not like slouchy. But yeah, I mean, this is just like a beautiful bag. And if you are new to Angela Roi and you're looking for a bag that is not only high quality, it's somewhat in the affordable range, and also maybe if you're looking for a vegan option, this is phenomenal. So this again is the Grace Mini Crossbody bag. I got the mini because online to me it looked like the regular Grace bag was a little bit too big for me, and then they also have like a micro, which is like a smaller version, and that's really good if you want like something that is a lot smaller, not hold as much. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I don't want to draw this out too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find this helpful. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to click on that subscribe button right there and hit that bell notification so you can see more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!